Hello, I am Rohini Thomre, and today in this session I will be going to discuss with you soil pollution as a type of pollution. Let us quickly have the roadmap of today's session. In this session I will be going to discuss with you pollution, then types of pollution, then I will be start with soil pollution, what are the causes of soil pollution, then effect of soil pollution and prevention technique from soil pollution. Now let us have the definition of pollution. Pollution is the introduction of substances or energy that cause adverse changes in the environment and living entities. It cannot be always caused by chemical substances such as particulates like smoke and dust, but it can be also caused due to some energy like heat, sound and light energy. The substances that causes pollution are called as a pollutant. These are the different types of pollutions are there. For example, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, thermal pollution, and radioactive pollution. Now, in today's session, I will be discussing with you soil pollution. What is soil pollution? Soil pollution refers to the contamination of soil with anomalous concentration of toxic substances. It can be also called as soil contamination, which refers to the degradation of land due to the presence of chemicals or other man-made substances in the soil. The xenobiotic substances alter the natural composition of soil and affects it negatively. It is a serious environmental concern since it harbors many health hazards. These are drastically impact life directly or indirectly. For instance, any toxic chemical present in the soil will get absorbed by the plants. And then, since plants are the producers in the environment, it gets a pass up through the food chain. Compared to the other type of pollution, the effect of soil pollution are a little bit more abstract, but their implications are very noticeable. For example, exposure to soil contamination with high concentration of benzene increases the risk of contracting leukemia. Now, let us discuss the cause of soil pollution. Soil pollutions. The root cause of soil pollution is often one of the following. For example, massive or excessive improper use of pesticides in agriculture, excessive industrial activity, then poor management or insufficient disposal of waste. So improper industrial waste disposal can causes the large amount of soil pollution. The another cause of soil pollution is deforestation. Due to the industrialization, due to urbanization, most of the forest gets degraded, and that's why it is also one of the cause of soil pollution. Now, mining activity is also one of the cause of soil pollution. The intensive farming and agrochemicals like fertilizers and pesticides can causes the soil pollution. Herbicides, insecticides, fungicides which are used to kill insects, unwanted plants or parasitic fungi are main causes of the soil pollution. Now let us discuss the effect of soil pollution. Soil pollutions. Due to soil pollution, there is a loss of soil nutrient which renders the soil unfit for agriculture. Impact It impacts the natural flora and fauna residing in the soil. It also causes the degradation of emissions due to the increase of salinity of soil. Soil pollution can also affect on the human beings. Humans can also expensive negative consequence that cause the influence quality of life and health. The potential consequence includes birth defect, the development of breathing disorders, skin disease and cancers. Soil pollution has also been linked to the development of children's. The e-waste chemicals that are commonly found in contaminated soil and water such as lead, chromium, cadmium, arsenic can impact a child's cognitive development even if the exposure is very low. This diagram shows the effect of soil pollution on a human body, on children. It can also cause the headache, nausea and vomiting. Soil pollution may be provi- may have coughing, pain in the chest and irritation of the skin and eyes. Due to soil pollution, there is a exposure to high level of lead can result in permanent damage to the nervous system. Children are particularly vulnerable to lead. It can also cause the depression of central nervous system. It can cause damage to vital organs such as kidney and liver. And there is also a higher risk of developing cancer due to soil pollution. Now, let us discuss the prevention of soil pollution. It can be prevented by proper waste disposal. Instead of wasting or providing waste elsewhere, focus on treating waste and disposing it in the safest possible manner. Another one way to prevent the soil pollution is to use the practice of recycling, reducing, reusing and recovering. That is, use the 4R. You can reduce the uses of non-biodegradable materials such as plastic shopping bags. Recycle the waste that can be recycled and reuse the materials that can still be used to reduce the need for harvesting of resources. Another one way prevention technique is to buy the biodegradable products. It can be easily decomposed and not very harmful. Also, you can create dumping ground away. Dumping ground or landfills should be away from residential area so that waste product will not be seen all over the places. And another one prevention of soil pollution is to do the organic gardening. Organic gardening can reduce the uses of pesticides and insecticides. These non gardeners can help by buying the organic foods. Thank you. Thank you for patience listening. Do watch the video.